More than 1.5 million doses of the coronavirus vaccine have been distributed across Virginia. And while the state is averaging more than 36,000 daily vaccinations, some small private practices can't get access to the shots for their patients. 10 of your side's Marielena Balouris talked with a family medicine doctor in Virginia Beach. Lena?
Well, Tom, Dr. Mitchell Miller says his practice tried to get vaccines when distribution first started, but the state says there aren't enough to go around. Now he's worried that this could put the health of his patients at risk. After 39 years of practicing medicine in Hampton Roads, Dr. Mitchell Miller knows his patients. That's why he's pushing to get vaccines to distribute to them.
Right now, we feel that every day lost to vaccinate these folks puts them at risk.
Miller works at Coastal Family Practice in Virginia Beach. Early on in the vaccine rollout process, he says they submitted information to the health department and the CDC regarding their ability to vaccinate people properly. We
were then advised that we would be soon receiving the vaccine, and it just did not come. And right around that time, our city health department in Virginia Beach announced that they would be doing all vaccinations at the convention center.
And that's when he started worrying about some of his patients.
Several of our patients who are elderly, have limited mobility or other disabilities, or some complex medical issues, early on announced to us that they were not interested or willing or able to access the current system.
He says health officials keep telling him it's a supply issue, and he understands those constraints. But he and at least 150 other family physicians across the state believe they can vaccinate at-risk populations quickly and safely if they have the supply.
We feel like we can identify them, call them in, take care of them. They want us to do it. They don't want to go anywhere else, and they're patiently waiting for us to be able to do this for them.
Miller says the Virginia Academy of Family Physicians is meeting with Dr. Danny Avula, head of the vaccine distribution program in Virginia, tonight. We'll keep you updated. In the newsroom, I'm Marielena Balouris, 10 on your side.
And we have